Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts. Sign into the Google account you want to share, and make sure Notion is open with admin access. Once done, go to Notion settings, choose Connections, and authorize Google. This is where you grant calendar read access so Notion can fetch events. You do this now because without permission, the embed won't update. Make sure your Google Calendar is set to public or shared with the authorized account, then move to adding the calendar block in your page. Now embed the calendar into a Notion page. Type /embed and pick embed, or use the Google Calendar block if your workspace shows it. Then either paste the calendar's public share link or choose the calendar from the authorized account list. This step links a live view so events update automatically. Adjust the block's width and height, and switch the default view to agenda or week so it matches your workflow. If you need multiple calendars, repeat the embed and layer them as finish by verifying sync. Create a quick test event in Google and watch it appear in Notion. This confirms the connection. If the event doesn't show, reopen Notion settings, right arrow connections, reauthorize Google, and double-check the calendar's sharing settings. Sometimes reconnecting refreshes tokens. Also, make sure you use the correct public or shared calendar link. If you need two-way syncing or advanced triggers, consider adding a Zapier or Make automation. It gives more control, although it adds complexity and may require extra permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.